my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm not going to show you like how to crochet anything, but I'm going to unbox something. Like I have a package I sent, like I bought it online, and wow, I'm so much happy that I sent actually for these things. I've taken so long to make some stuff because I've been so much into bags. Yay! But it doesn't mean that I've left the baby thing. I'm also going to show you more things, but I wanted to expand my sales by putting in other things, and it's what I'm doing right now. Without taking so much time of yours, guys, first of all, I'd like to thank you for following me, for being my good subscribers. I know sometimes I take long to bring videos, as you know. All these things I have to first shoot them. Sometimes I save them. As I told you, I have another job, so it takes sometimes a lot of time to come back and give you a video. But hey, let us start by showing you what I received. I'm really so happy, and I sent for some items, as you're going to see. Leave a comment below if you really also want this. If you're in Uganda, I can as well connect you to the person who gave me this. Yeah. And now I'm going to start with the yarn. I'm in love with this yarn. Yay! I don't know if you can see it clearly. It's not open, it's still actually sealed, but that is how it looks like. It's macrame cotton yarn. It's really nice in making bags. You can use it to make decor stuff, on the walls, or you can use it to make baskets for keeping your stuff, and so much more. Yeah, they are really so cute, so easy to use when you're yarning and when you're crocheting rather, and they are not such slippery, so I like them, and they are strong. Actually, there is something I'm already making, and I'm making a bag, and you see how it makes it's strong, it's firm enough. So yeah, it can work for you if you're making such stuff. So it's going to make for me, because I'm making this bag already out of still macrame cotton. I bought also this color in green. I got the black. Actually, whatever I asked this lady, they are the same colors she brought for me. I had I was like, will this be the color I wanted? Because when you look online, it's kind of orange. So I was like, is it going to be orange? But when I received it, it wasn't the other deep orange as you're seeing this in here. This cushion is orange, and also it was made by me. But I thought it was going to be like this. When you see in the photo, it was kind of like this. But when I received it, I was like, yay, this is the color I wanted. So yeah, then I got it also in gray. So yeah, I'm going to make so many projects out of it, and I'm so much happy. And then after buying that, because they told me each of these can make a small bag, yeah, but what I've realized, it won't make a big bag, because I'd started on the other one I've showed you, and it's not going to work. So I'm advising you, in case you do also crochet and you want to make a bigger bag, then that means you have two of those. And I bought these, I think it was 24,000 Uganda shillings, yeah, each ball. Yeah, but what I loved about these people, when you're taking 5 or more pieces, they give you a discount. So yeah, it worked good for me, because I bought 5 and they gave me a discount. So instead of 24, I ended up paying 21. Yeah, so if you're going to make a bigger bag, it means you will need something 40 something, yeah, to make a bag. And yeah, you base on that when you're costing for to make a sale and a profit also. Now after that, I was like, oh my god, I need to have really good accessories to match with my bags. And I bought these handles. They are going to be handles. I like them, they are so nice. I think you guys have seen some bags which have such kind of handles, yeah, and these ones will work for me, because they are so classy, the way you hold your bag, they look so classy, and I love them. Honestly, I do love them. And also, I didn't end there, I have other stuff. Yeah, what I loved about these people, still they made sure they give me something like a gift. And I've learned, when my customers buy stuff from me, I have to add in something, and this one will make me always remember them, even if like I don't want to be like, you know, because on top of that they gave me these stitch markers. Yeah, they gave me stitch markers, and I'm really so happy. They gave me how many? 1, 2, 3. They gave me 6 stitch markers, and they gave me this kind of needle, yeah, to do my finishing stuff. Yeah, sewing in all those yarn I've cut. Yeah, so I'm really happy. Then on top of that, I bought oh, by the way, I did tell you these ones I bought them at 22,000. Then I bought this handle. This hand I bought it at 20,000. Yeah, it was at 20,000 if I'm not mistaken. No, this was at 18. I'm sorry, this was at 18,000, and it's also class. It's nice. Yeah, so it will work for me. Then I bought these ones. I bought them I think at 20. Oh my god, all these things were so expensive. So if I charge you highly, please don't complain. I spent a lot of money. Then this one came as a set. It was like this. Yeah, this is a chain. This is a chain. Oh my god. Yeah. Let me first show you these are also like bag handles. Yeah, you put them in the sides as you connect the handle. So these hooks are also there. I bought them at 20 each. They were expensive, by the way. Then I bought this set. It has a chain, and it has these hooks you first put before you connect this chain on top, and then it has this lock. Yeah, so that is what I bought, and hopefully I'm going to make good stuff out of them, and I'm going to make a profit out of them. Yeah. But I really thank you for following me. I really thank you for loving me. And in case you are a new person on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. That is the support I need from you guys so that my channel grows. And in case you have anything you want to learn, please leave it in the comment box, and I will help you so that you learn that thing and you make money out of it. Girls, we need to work, we need to make money. You know, let us not just look on other things, but also on like making our own money. Thank you so much. I love you.